आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स है क्या?
जैसे कि एक रिकॉर्ड होता है, द थॉट्स, पास्ट पीपल, प्रेजेंट पीपल, मेरा फ्यूचर।
आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड में क्या डिफरेंस है?
In Akashic records or Akashic reading, only I can go. But in past life regression, we take them.
पितृदोष के बारे में जानना है।
पितृदोष में
मांगलिक लोग से शादी कभी नहीं करना चाहिए।
So you have attracted a non-manglik to a manglik.
सबसे कॉमन चैलेंजेस क्या होते हैं?
You know, lots of restrictions before I access someone's Akashic.
और ये सब दिखता है?
So see, ये सब दिखता है या नहीं? Sometimes it can answer, sometimes it will say I don't want to answer.
अगर किसी को आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड सीखना हो,
They can't actually, unfortunately.
ये बिलीफ सिस्टम है क्या?
नाम हर तरह के हम बोल सकते हैं, पर taken towards the feelings, I don't think so.
सिर्फ स्पिरिचुअली इंक्लाइंड लोग एक्सेस कर सकते?
I don't think so. I don't think only spiritual log access कर सकते. Any profession for that matter, even people who are not having good intentions to do the Akashic record, they can utilize this energy. Why we have to charge for Akashic records or healing? Anyone who have shown effects of having a heightened sense of psychic ability can access, but the consequence after accessing, it's all going to create karma.
क्या आपने कभी ये सोचा है कि आपकी पास्ट लाइफ जो जर्नीज थी उनका प्रेजेंट में क्या असर पड़ सकता है? डॉक्टर रश्मि मथलकर एक एक्सपीरियंस्ड आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स स्पेशलिस्ट इनर हैबिट पॉडकास्ट पे आके पूरा राज खोलने वाले हैं। रश्मि जी के साथ हमने एक्सप्लोर किया है कि कैसे आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स से हमारा पास्ट हम इस प्रेजेंट में हील कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो कर्म हमें पास्ट लाइफ में किए हुए ज़रूर हमको इस लाइफ में इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, वो हम कहते हैं कार्मिक साइकिल। वेलकमिंग डॉक्टर रश्मि मथलकर टू इनर हैबिट। नमस्ते रश्मि जी, हाउ आर यू?
नमस्ते श्रुति जी, आई एम गुड। आप कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ। आई रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस पॉडकास्ट। आपको पता नहीं है मैं कितने हफ्ते से इसकी वेट कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे एक्चुअली इस टॉपिक में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है।
वाव, दैट्स रियली नाइस। मेरा भी ऐसे ही क्यूरियोसिटी बना एंड ये हुआ।
तो आप बताइए कि एक्चुअली आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स है क्या और उसकी बेसिक जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो क्या है?
तो आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड, सो जैसे कि एक रिकॉर्ड होता है हर चीज का। सो इट्स हैविंग एवरीथिंग, द वर्ड्स वी अटर, द थॉट्स आई हैव, द एक्शंस आई हैव डन टू past people, present people, मेरा future, my past life, how many ever births I have taken, what all did I do, who I have been in that life, who were my people, are they in this life with me? So basically everything, सब चीज का एक लाइब्रेरी होता है। ओके, सो ऐसे होता है कि इट्स लाइक वन ग्रेट लाइब्रेरी, सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी, जहां आप जाओगे और मैं पूछूंगी डॉक्टर श्रुति कि क्या है उनका आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड, तो मुझे एक बुक मिलेगा एंड उस बुक में सारा चीज होगा, जो भी आपने सोचा है, किया है, क्या क्या हुआ है आपके साथ, सब होगा। पर टू एक्सेस दैट इज अ स्किल, सो दैट इज आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड फॉर यू।
तो हर पर्सन की जो आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड होती है उसमें कितने फाइल्स हो गए, कितने जन्मों लोगों ने लिया होगा, लाइफ टाइम में कितने हो गए, तो उसकी अगर आप सोचते हो तो इट इज सो मेनी मेमोरीज।
Right. It is so true. So many memories, and sometimes we don't know what is this deja vu. What is this? Someone we just get connected. Like we don't know who they are, what they do. But a stranger on a bus, like आप metro ले रहे हो, आप चल रहे हो, आप कहीं जा रहे हो, suddenly you will get connected to this one person, and it's not physical appearance because you don't remember seeing them before, right? So clearly there is some connection. So that could be some past life connection, memory that you have about that soul.
तो उसके अंदर कैसी कैसी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है? एवरीथिंग, ईटिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, सब कुछ होता?
Yes. So I'll give you one very small example. So one of the clients of mine who went to an akashic reading. तो वो record reading में मुझे पता चला कि उनका एक set questions होता है जो पूछते हैं, like who was I, और current life में ये होता है. But she didn't ask any question related to what I saw about her. Suddenly, sometimes what happens when I go into a meditative state, getting answers for these people, sometimes what I don't ask also just comes as a flash and goes, some information about them. तो मैंने उनका सारा सवाल का आंसर किया और फिर मैंने पूछा, आपको बंगाली स्वीट्स अच्छा लगता है क्या? She was like jump scared. She was like, I haven't told this to anyone. There is some some pull towards Bengali sweets, Kolkata, and I don't know, there is some fascination about Bengal, but I've never been to Bengal, and I don't know what this is, why I like those sweets and everything. Then I told her that you were from Italy in your last life, but you visited India and you went to Bengal. You lived there for a couple of years and you had some romantic connection with someone there, and that's how you ended up liking all of these. And she was like so shocked. So that is how these eating, drinking habits, so whatever we are fond of, also could be and could not be related to our past life.
तो आप ये records कैसे access करते हैं? ये skill कैसे आपको how do you get this skill?
So these Akashic records are very easy. So I would like to say that all of us are psychics. Okay, we all have some hidden talent which is unexplored. We all know how to do this, but only certain people are chosen to read Akashic records. Not everyone who learns. So let's say एक book है and उसमें सब लिखा है how to access. सब कुछ लिखा है. It's very easy. Close your eyes, do this breathing, go to a meditative state, do these verses, utter these verses, and then God will show you, or whoever is the master of Akashic record will show you the answers. But it's not that easy. Not everyone can access this through meditation immediately. Few can, few are gifted, and few will have to work a lot more than just one day of meditation. It might take years of upskilling your psychic abilities, meditating in a way where you're connecting with your higher self, and do good, do something nice for other people, and be in that complete mode of spirituality, so that some powers just get triggered in you and you can access it. So basically, but if anyone else wants to access it, it is pretty easy. Only thing is, I don't know if they can see it sooner compared to psychics. I don't know about it. Yeah.
तो मुझे एक्चुअली ये पूछना था, पास्ट लाइफ देखना, जहाँ पे लोग पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन बोलते हैं, और आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है? क्योंकि मैंने वीडियोस भी देखे हैं जहाँ पास्ट लाइफ में जाके देखते हैं. जैसे कि एक बंदे को मैंने ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब पे देखा था, उसको जानना था कि वो इतना मानता था शिव को, इतना मानते थे, उसको जानना था कि उसका प्रीवियस कनेक्शन क्या था. तो वो गए थे 1764 में. तो इसका और इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है?
ओके, सो सी, पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन भी मैंने कर लिया है. उसमें थोड़ा बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग है एंड स्टडी किया है, एंड आई हैव हेल्प्ड पीपल रीच टू देयर पास्ट लाइव्स. बट in Akashic records or Akashic reading, what happens is only I can go. So it is basically online. So anyone, anywhere in the world can just book this Akashic record through me, where I take all the answers for them and come back to them with the answers and remedies, and what they have to stop doing in order to see relief from whatever issues they are facing with respect to people or relationship or their own career or whatever issues they are facing. I will bring it to their table. But in past life regression, what happens? We take them to that place. So we will not go to that place ever. So we will not be in the meditative state. We put them in the meditative state and directly help them access it. So it takes about 3 hours to access past life minimum. That is what I've learned. And we'll have to physically meet in order to do that, because it's not really possible to connect to the energies, I think, online with respect to past life regression. And that person needs to be under assistance, because it's not easy to just sleep and go to meditative state and connection kuch cut ho gaya, internet connection kuch ho gaya, then we can't leave the patient wherever they are in that state of mind. So I think it's best to have a past life regression, offline session. And Akashic records are easier that way, because the patient or a client who has come for help need not go and access these records, and we can directly access it. And it's pretty easy, because now I think I take about 24 hours to give the Akashic reading for people. So let's say today you booked your sessions with me, tomorrow you will get an answer. I mean, in our most ideal situation. But couple of times what happens is it doesn't answer. So, the Akashic masters or lords say, do not ask this question today. Ask them to come back after 3 months. So maybe that soul need not know about whatever question the soul is asking at that particular time. So it always asks you to come back or gives remedies or something like that. So that's the difference between the two.
Understood. तो ये जो मास्टर हम बोलते हैं, what does he look like? Or is that a spirit or what is it?
Okay, it's just like universe. So it does not have a face. So there's just not Akashic masters. They are soul guides. So basically, for me to access, I need to call upon my soul guides, who will help me in a safe and positive Akashic reading. Because when we access these kind of outer realm, outer world, or different world realms beings, so we might tend to attract energies which are not good. So we need to be careful. So who we take with us while we access it. So there will be soul guides, there will be Akashic lords, there will be Akashic masters. So like होते हैं ना school में, like principal होते हैं, उसके बाद teachers होते हैं. So that hierarchy is there even in Akashic records. So there are plenty protectors, and not everyone can access the information. And it's fascinating. But I don't know if someone can articulate it, how much we understand and how much we articulate with words. I don't think I might be doing justice enough to that.
मुझे तो यही इमेज दिखाई देती है कि पूरी इतनी बड़ी लाइब्रेरी है और वहां पे आपको स्क्रॉल करना पड़ता है. फिर हैरी पॉटर में शायद होगा ये, फिर ढूंढना पड़ेगा. तो वही स्टाइल है क्या?
Actually, कुछ लोगों को ना images दिखता है. There might be like a huge hall and एक door की तरह दिखता होगा. And few people might see it as a huge book. किसी लोगों को वीडियो दिखता है किसी का. मतलब we'll be focusing on that person's face, their name, their date of birth and everything. So these details are obviously required to access, so that we don't miss out and access someone else's. And consent is extremely important. So we take consent. We can't access Akashic records within 18 years. So that's also a rule, because kids Akashic records we can't do. We can only do through their parents, with one or two just indirect questions, but without consent. So consent is extremely important in Akashic records.
अब मुझे जो क्वेश्चंस मैं पूछ रही हूँ, ये रियलिटी ऑफ आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स है, ऑथेंटिसिटी के बारे में. ठीक है, शायद आप एग्जांपल्स भी दे सकते हैं, इट्स ओके. लेकिन आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स की ऑथेंटिसिटी को कैसे समझाया सकता है?
Correct. So it's just like how we believe in something and it manifests for us. So a lot of my clients come back to me saying, I can show you the screenshot of my client chatting with me where she has told me, I don't know why when I browse about Akashic records, it says, there's no proof for Akashic record. Why would they say that? Because I do have the proof with me. You have been so accurate with your readings. So it's like that. So कहाँ से ये originate हुआ? In the 1800s and 1900s, it just originated, and it's also somewhere when you are telling me about authenticity, it is important to understand that you can't just give Akashic record reading to anyone and everyone. That is also there, because Because one is, yes, is it accurate with my readings? Yes. But okay, let me put it this way. So let's say you have asked me something about, let's say, my career. There is no job promotion. Okay, so I'm suffering. I have multiple passions in my life, but there's no growth that I'm seeing. So please help me. Like I'm putting my hands in two, three, four projects, but none are giving me the soul satisfaction. So now I go and check your Akashic records, and I find out that you need to do certain remedies and certain shapas or guru healings. So let's say you have not paid enough respect to a guru in your last life, or intentionally or unintentionally you moved on, and that guru is very not happy because you have not paid the proper respect. So then he guru will come back as a bad boss to you. So what we have to do, we have to heal the guru shapas. So now, I did your Akashic record. I did heal you. Now, authenticity is confirmed after you see the results.
अंडरस्टूड. अब सो इट्स नॉट, ये बिलीफ सिस्टम है क्या? क्योंकि लोग तो ये भी, क्रिटिक्स भी होते हैं ना, क्रिटिक्स तो ये भी बोलते हैं कि इमेजिनेशन या फिर बिलीफ सिस्टम है, तो ये बिलीफ सिस्टम है क्या?
शायद because it could be a belief system, it could be a placebo effect. नाम हर तरह के हम बोल सकते हैं, पर उससे क्या फायदा हो सकता है? मतलब रिजल्ट से ही फायदा होगा, तो हम उसे कुछ भी बुलाए तो आई टेल माई क्लाइंट्स द सेम थिंग. सो ओके, डू यू हैव द फुल बिलीफ? बिकॉज it is your energy. Is your soul ready? So people who are critics are also welcome. हम सबको मानते हैं because we are into manifestation. We have to believe and respect. हर feeling का validate करना चाहिए, because as a counselor that is what I have to do. I have to validate the feelings, but can I validate their actions taken towards the feelings? I don't think so. So मतलब hate comment करना या फिर किसी को harm करना is not what I would like to see from people. But if you have a feeling that अरे ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, okay, good, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, आपको क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है? So we will try and give them and more information. We can blow their mind with doing a reading for them in itself, and they can find out if it's just a belief system or is it really true or not. Yeah.
अच्छा, तो क्या आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड सिर्फ स्पिरिचुअली इंक्लाइंड लोगों के लिए रेलेवेंट है, या हर, वेल वी टॉक्ड अबाउट इट कि आपने बोला जो लोग दे कैन डेवलप देयर स्किल टुवर्ड्स इट, लेकिन ये तो बहुत टाइम लगता होगा ना, जैसे कि आपने कितने साल किया होगा, तो सिर्फ स्पिरिचुअली इंक्लाइंड लोग एक्सेस कर सकते हैं?
I don't think so. Okay, so I don't think only spiritual log access kar sakte hain. So people, so like even so let's say any profession for that matter, even people who are not having good intentions to do the Akashic records or any other job, so maybe their intentions are not pure. So dark energies and negative people bhi hote hain, right? So they can utilize this energy. So let's say they're not spiritual at all, they believe in something else, they want to do other things which are not so great for people and harm people. But as soon as they get access, let's say they have been in a very nice pure way, they're meditating, they gained the access, and then unka mind change hua and they are like greedy ho gaya hai na, lalchi ho gaya, and people ko help karne ke jagah they are just trying to see. I'll come to energy exchange later. You can ask me one more question about why we have to charge for Akashic records or healings. But that apart, so हम अच्छा वर्क करते हैं उसका हिसाब से लेना पड़ेगा, whatever we charge. So let's say they leave some negative elementals. So now I have your medical documents. Oh, so Akashic records and medical documents. So if I place some wrong things there in the medical documents, so ethical nahi hoga. फिर भी वो डॉक्टर बने हैं, they're not ethical, but someday they will face their consequence. So no, not just spiritually inclined people can access. Anyone who have shown effects of having a heightened sense of psychic ability can access, but the consequence after accessing, the consequence of the person who's accessing, and the consequence of who they have accessed it, and what they will use it for. It's all going to create karma, depending on if they're doing a good job, positive karma; if they're doing a bad job, then negative karma. And if they are not lucky, they will face it exactly in this life. If they are lucky, then they might, I don't know, maybe face it in the next life or in the latter stages of their life. Yeah.
अच्छा, तो आपने एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात कही है कि अगर कोई फॉर एग्जाम्पल एथिकली देखा जाए तो यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल इन योर फील्ड, लेकिन अगर आपने कुछ रख दिया, एंड दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, शायद आपने गलती से किसी और के पेपर्स इस बंदे की या औरत की या व्हाटएवर आपने डाल दिया, ठीक है, तो उसको आपको तो एनर्जीज इम्पैक्ट तो फ्यूचर में होगा ही होगा, लेकिन जो इंडिविजुअल की आपने फाइल मिक्स कर दी, दोनों का इम्पैक्ट होगा।
जी बिल्कुल। सो दैट इज व्हाई व्हेन आई सेड नॉट एवरीवन शुड एक्सेस आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड, सो आप को बिल्कुल चेक करना है बिफोर वी गिव कंसेंट टू डॉक्टर्स। ऑल्सो वी विल चेक ना, गूगल में जाके रिव्यू चेक करते हैं, वी विल गो एंड चेक, पेशेंट से पूछते हैं रेफरल आया है क्या, कि अरे ये डॉक्टर बहुत अच्छे थे, या फिर ये डॉक्टर ना बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं थे। तो वो जो हम हेल्थ के लिए कितना हम वो करते हैं, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा देखते हैं। इवन एनी प्रोडक्ट, फॉरगेट हेल्थ, इवन छोटा प्रोडक्ट या मोबाइल लेने से पहले हम जरूर रिव्यू देखते हैं, या फिर किसी को पूछते हैं क्या वो लेजिट है, चेक करते हैं कितना साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, या हाउ मच दिस मोबाइल इज इन द मार्केट, इज इट वर्किंग, हम किसी किसी को पूछते हैं। तो ऐसे ही बिल्कुल उनको पूछ के एक्सेस देना है। सबके लिए ये नहीं होता है, एंड द इम्पैक्ट कैन बी lasting and lifelong. If you get into the wrong hands, then it can last longer, the negative impact. So be very careful who you give access to.
अच्छा, तो आप वो करेक्ट कर सकते हैं फिर से जाके उसके रिकॉर्ड में?
जी. So someone who is well versed in this would never do something like that. There will be no mix up, there will be no problem at all.
No, that's fine. लेकिन like I'm just hypothetically asking कि अगर हो गया तो इट्स नॉट इंटेंशनल, बिकॉज जो करेगा तो प्रोफेशनल ही होगा, तो लोग शायद अनइंटेंशनली कुछ हो गया तो कैन दे एक्सेस द रिकॉर्ड अगेन एंड फिक्स एवरीथिंग?
Yes, fixing everything is very possible, and that is what we will be doing mostly, because even with thoughts there will be fixing required, even with actions there will be fixing required. So we go and amend. So wow, very good question. So we can fix by something called Akashic amends. So we do Akashic record amends. So we amend whatever has been done through psychic ability, through meditations, through our skills. And I use a little bit of pranic healing as well while I heal the Akashic records. And I cut off all the negative energies associated with that person and this person. Now, whatever would have happened also would have created some karma. So all that can be cleared as well.
ओके, इट्स गुड टू नो, क्योंकि यू नो इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट, क्योंकि लोग बहुत डरते हैं ना कि अगर कुछ नेगेटिव हो गया, कुछ हुआ, तो इट्स गुड टू नो कि ये हो सकता है, क्योंकि इट ओपन्स अप अ लॉट मोर रीडिंग्स आपके लिए और लॉट ऑफ पीपल, यू नो। तो हाउ डू यू डिसाइड कि किसको आकाशिक, अगर मैं आई फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे तो ज़रूरत नहीं है, एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, तो हाउ डू यू डिसाइड कि इसको रीडिंग की ज़रूरत है, इसको नहीं है, ये शायद ये अभी नहीं आना चाहिए?
जी, सो हमें पहले से ही, सो सिंस आई एम इंट्यूटिव दैट वे, तो मुझे तो पहले से ही पता होता है किसको आकाशिक रीडिंग लेना है, किसको टैरो लेना है, किसको प्राणिक हीलिंग ही लेना है, एंड रीडिंग की जरूरत नहीं है। बिकॉज their aura shows that if they are too confused and if they have that karma, I can sense their energies and I suggest accordingly. But in general, if you're very curious, anyone can access Akashic records. So it's not like, okay, inko nahi janna hai. Maybe in those 10 questions, one question the Akashic Lords might not answer. Ki, okay, this one question might not be for them. But rest everything I can definitely access. Everyone, like 100% everyone, other than kids under 18 years, सबका हम आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स एक्सेस कर सकते हैं।
तो ये हो गई बात पास्ट लाइफ की। अब हम ये लाइफ की देखते हैं। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हमारे लाइफ में कितना होता है ना, हमारे दोस्त के साथ, हमारे फैमिली के साथ, और हम इतना कनेक्टेड है उससे। अगर किसी को ये लाइफ में कुछ जानना है उसके फ्रेंड के बारे में, या कुछ हुआ हो फैमिली में, तो ये कर सकते हैं या नहीं?
ओह यस, एब्सोल्युटली कर सकते हैं, ये भी सवाल पूछ सकते हैं। तो एक बहुत ही वेरी स्वीट सा थिंग हुआ मेरे साथ। तो किसी को दे हैव अ डॉग एंड द डॉग नेवर हील्स, ओके, नो मैटर व्हाट दिस पर्सन डज। तो द डॉग केप्ट फॉलिंग सिक। तो शी कॉन्टेक्टेड मी कि व्हाई इज द डॉग नॉट हीलिंग, लाइक आई लाइक पेट क्लिनिक लेके जाती है, नथिंग्स रॉन्ग विद द डॉग, and there is some small genetic problem with the dog, but उसका ट्रीटमेंट होने के बाद कुछ असर नहीं होना चाहिए, लाइक यू नो द प्रॉब्लम शुड सॉल्व, राइट? आइडियली लेट्स से फीवर है, डोलो दिया तो कम हो जाना चाहिए ना फीवर, पर ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था। ओनली द डॉग वुड फील बेटर व्हेन शी इज अराउंड, ओनली इफ शी गेव हर अनडिवाइडेड अटेंशन, लाड प्यार किया, उसको खिलाया, वॉकिंग लेके गए। तो so then she asked me, what is this connection? So guess what? That dog was her father in last life, and इनका अकालिक वो चले गए, like you know the daughter who was in last life a son, so she the son died earlier than the father, so the son could not pay their last, you know, seva to the dad. So the dog has come back now as the pet to get seva and attention and the time what was not given in the last life.
How did this individual take that?
The overwhelmed hua, then you know, very happy, then started giving time, started giving attention, disease gayab.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. अच्छा, मुझे ऑनेस्टली अब कार्मिक पैटर्न्स के बारे में जानना है, और आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स और कार्मिक पैटर्न्स के बीच की कनेक्शन के बारे में जानना है। ये कनेक्शन क्या होता है?
कर्मा पैटर्न जो है, इट इज रिपीटेटिव, so it's very easy. You do good, you get good, you do good, you get good. No, it's not easy. So what happens is, so let's say my intention is very pure, मैं तो दूध की धुली हूँ, okay, but still by mistake जो हो जाता है, unintentional mistakes also will have karmic consequences. तो हम बोलते हैं ना, क्या ही किया मैंने, कुछ किसी का नहीं बिगाड़ा, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ, मैंने तो सबका अच्छा सोचा, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? सो दीज आर ऑल द पैटर्न्स ऑफ योर पास्ट लाइफ और करंट लाइफ इवन, लाइक आप जाने अनजाने में किसी सोल को यू विल हर्ट, सो यू विल फाइट विथ योर फ्रेंड, you'll go गाड़ी में, you'll go, you are like, I should not hit anyone on the road, by mistake किसी को hit हो गया, तो my intention was pure, please कर्मा नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं, सब बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. So what has happened is, because of our past life karma, we are you know, facing things in this life as well as this life. कुछ भी किया है, अगर किसी का हमने you know, प्यार को रिजेक्ट किया, उनको लगा कि ओ, इन्होंने तो बहुत बुरा कर लिया, मेरे साथ शादी नहीं हुआ, सो दे विल अगेन, you know, curse or feel jealous, and then they create one karma. तो even talking to someone is karma, do you know that? So like मुझे तो 1000 पॉडकास्ट वाले अप्रोच किए होंगे, मैंने तो एक पॉडकास्ट चुना because we had to interact. So it's a connection, it's a karma. So even talking to someone, words, actions, everything is karma, and that pattern when broken, like let's say आकाशिक अलग से हम रख देंगे, कर्मा को अगर हमने ब्रेक किया and we know how to correct and rectify the karma, there will be certain remedies. So okay, we hurt one person, let's help 10 people, so it will come back to us.
ये आपका पहला पॉडकास्ट है?
No, it's not.
मैंने सोचा हमारा पॉडकास्ट, लेकिन हमने कुछ किया होगा ना, इसलिए हम एक दूसरे से एक्चुअली वी आर कनेक्टेड इन दिस कार्मिक पैटर्न, आई गेस.
Yeah, correct. And I have done podcasts before, but I do it very rare. You know, this might be my third one or something. But many people approach, but I don't collaborate or promote anything or do a podcast. But then I'm like, okay, let me get in touch with this person.
तो आई गेस रीजन होगा शायद वी गॉट इन टच। तो आपको वो इंक्लिंग कैसे आई कि इसके साथ मुझे करना है, जैसे कि आपने 2 और भी किए?
Yeah, yeah. So I have a gut feeling, कि let's do this. So genuinely what happened is, last week हमको करना था, I felt sick, right? So why I felt sick also is something. So what I did, I out of goodwill, I charged lesser to someone. Okay, I'm like, okay, ऐसे ऐसे कितना एनर्जी एक्सचेंज हम लेते हैं, तो क्या ही हो जाएगा, इट्स ओके, आई विल जस्ट हेल्प दैट पर्सन. आई डिड few extra healings for that person. I felt sick. So then we couldn't talk. So maybe we were not meant to talk that day, and it was only important to talk on a Thursday, which is blessed by Guru. And maybe there is something I have to learn from you today, and vice versa. So we don't know. So it just got fixed for today because of the number today, because of the day today, or maybe the right questions would be asked today.
क्या हम अपने कर्मास को समझाने और हील करने के लिए आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड को यूज कर सकते हैं? और हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि हम जाते हैं टू हील करंट कर्मस, है ना? तो एग्जांपल्स दीजिए जहाँ पे आपने कुछ हेल्प किया है, जो कोई और, आई मीन दिस वाज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल एग्जांपल, जो डॉग था वाज प्रीवियस लाइफ, लेकिन कुछ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है जहाँ पे वाज अ नेगेटिव सेंस और फिर उसने पॉजिटिव किया है, वेरी सीरियसली नेगेटिव?
G. So there was, I'll give you 2 examples. So one was a psychologically ill patient. So they did have, so whatever examples I'm giving, I have informed them, and with confidence, and they have confided in me to be okay, to not reveal their identity, and they're okay to, discuss their case history. So I'll keep the rest of the things confidential, but this person had bipolar and also some psychological issues along with bipolar, multiple other things. So she would trust wrong people on the phases where she could, be her normal self and everything. So I did warn her. So she went, ma'am, I met my soulmate like this. I'm going to marry this person. I'm so happy. He's like being a sweetheart, and it's been a couple of months after your reading. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. But मुझे आकाशिक में पता चला कि she should not trust this person. She should not marry this person. So I told her that, and I told her this afternoon, and night को उसको पता चला that he had scammed her for a money thing. So she just got protected from losing major lakhs as well as her life to this person who was actually taking advantage of her. So this was one incidence, and there have been instances where I have prevented people from accidents, which are like really good, because you don't want to go through anything like that which is disastrous. And एक person का बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ career related, because she wanted to go into something which she was not meant to do, and she was in depression for like 20 years. So she's like now 50. So from 30 years she was working in this IT-BT company for 20 years. And then I guided her that she had to do a food industry, and she was always meant to do this, like karma. Food also gives us some relief from, we feed people, karma reduces. So they say, right, khana khilana is a very huge thing. So she quit her job and she started her own food industry. 2 months ago, she texted me telling which name is good for my, food industry company. So these things happened and it happens, and every living day is a miracle for me, because एक बंदे का even fever reduce हो गया through Akashic healing and Akashic remedy and just the reading. मेरा तो दिन बन जाता है.
मुझे पितृदोष के बारे में जानना है. वो क्या कर सकते हैं आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड से एक्सेस, लाइक क्या हुआ था और कैसे फिक्स कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि मैंने ये शब्द या वर्ड बहुत बहुत बार सुना है, और पहले तो मुझे ये जानना है ये पितृदोष होता है क्या, फिर ये भी जानना है कि आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड से उसका हेल्प कैसे हो सकता है।
Okay, okay, great. So पितृदोष पितृ मीन्स ancestors. तो हमारे ancestors जो होते हैं, हम भी वो ही होते हैं. Like we might come back as a soul who was, long lived. Like कोई है. Like let's say I am my own pitru. Like let's say I am born into the family. There are 5-6 sons and 5-6 daughters in one house. किसी किसी का लाइक भाई का बहन सब, इट्स अ जॉइंट फैमिली. बट ओनली यू इफ यू ऑब्जर्व, एक या दो बंदा होता है जो बहुत सफर कर रहा होता है, बहुत ज्यादा. द सेम फैमिली, सेम बेसिक कम्युनिटी, सेम हाउस, वास्तु दोष नहीं है, सेम हाउस. ओके, लेट्स से इवन ट्विंस, लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्विंस. तो दे हैव जस्ट बॉर्न टुगेदर ऑलमोस्ट, राइट, द सेम डे सेम डेट. बट इफ यू सी, दो जन का जिंदगी सेम नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल सेम नहीं होता है. दिखते सेम होते हैं, जिंदगी सेम नहीं होता है. आई हैव पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस जहां मैंने ट्विंस को देखा है. एक का शादी हुआ, एक का 5-6 साल बाद भी शादी नहीं हो रहा है. एक का बच्चा हो गया, एक का बच्चे का कंसीविंग में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. वाई? Maybe that person has pitru dosha. What is pitru dosha? Now let's say generations, whoever were our ancestors, एक दो बंदे ने किसी का दिल धोखा दिया, कुछ किसी को धोखा दिया, ओके, कुछ तो किया. I am that now. Now I am suffering in my life. I am that ancestor who hurt someone. Now I have carried the same dosha. मेरा दोष गया नहीं है. Now मुझे भुगतना है, या फिर I have to ask sorry to the previous pitrus who I have hurt or other ancestors who I have hurt, and I want to be the person who is going to break that generational trauma now. Because I only did all this, I have come back and I am repenting. I will take care of it now. तो क्या होता है आकाशिक, now that it's clear what is पितृ दोष and कौन होता है, कैसे आता है, क्या हम आकाशिक में पितृ दोष क्लियर कर सकते हैं? यस, बिकॉज ये इट्स अ लाइब्रेरी. वी टेक योर बुक, वी ओपन इट. अभी मुझे इरेज करना है, ओके, इंक पेन में लिखा है तो उसको स्क्रैच करके मैं अच्छे से लिखूंगी कि अभी उनको याद नहीं है क्या क्या किया है, अभी वो शर्मिंदा भी है, बिकॉज दे नो समथिंग बैड दे हैव डन इन ऑर्डर टू गेट दिस. हेल्थ डिजीज है, कुछ हुआ, करियर में कुछ हुआ, या एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है, फैमिली में बहुत बार कुछ तो उनको ही हो रहा है, सबका प्रॉफिट चल रहा है, बिजनेस में उनका लॉस हो रहा है. तो देन दे आर लाइक, प्लीज मुझे क्षमा करो भगवान. सो वी गो टू टेम्पल, राइट, वेन एवर देर इज प्रॉब्लम वी रन टू गॉड. वी आर लाइक, अरे मैंने क्या किया, क्षमा कर दो भगवान. तो वही हम उनके हिसाब से जो उन्होंने बोला है, मैम प्लीज हेल्प मी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई हैव डन, प्लीज आई डोंट वांट टू सफर लाइक दिस, आई वांट टू मूव आउट ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम. तो हम पूछते हैं उनके जगह कि दे हैव पेड अस सो मच मनी, दे हैव शोन दिस मच मर्सी, they genuinely have some skills in their heart where they can truly be forgiven, and they have understood that these were wrong things to do. So we ask all the sorry instead of them and amend the akashic record. So wahan I pray for their pitru dosha to get resolved, and unko khud jaake na ye hum rakhte hain na, like we keep the pindas and we pray to the pitrus every amavasya. They say we need to feed the crows, because pitru ka ruler hai Shanidev, and Shanidev is associated with karma. So it's all very interlinked in a very beautiful way, which we fail to realize and understand. So feeding crows, like just feeding crows thoda curd rice, उनका पितृदोष कम होता जाएगा, because you're feeding a being who is associated with Shanidev, and Shanidev is a power or a deity who is manifested because of your karmas. So if you do these remedies, then Shanidev gets pleased.
तो can पितृदोष come after a person is born? Example, मेरा जन्म हो गया है तो उसके बाद आ सकता है? It has to be before birth.
See, as it will be written, you would have chosen that family. So you are a soul who has chosen exactly this family to come back as your ancestor to clear this only. So सब पहले ही डिसाइडेड है, बाद में आपको याद आने लगता है कि क्या क्या हुआ है, क्या क्या किया है. So if you see, no, young kids like 3 years younger, they'll speak something unbelievable. They will act like old people. They हम बोलते हैं ना, ये तो नाना नानी की तरह बात करती है, ये तो 3 साल की बच्ची है, कैसे इसको इतना आता है, क्या क्या बोल देते हैं. किसी किसी का दे बिकम क्यूपिड, बोलते हैं इन दोनों का शादी कर दो. Like they will tell age inappropriate things, but you're like, ये तो they feel like ancestors. So you might have seen in families who have little kids, they will totally relate to this. अरे ये तो बहुत ही पुराना सोल है बोलते हैं. That could be because they have come back.
हमने फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम अभी पितृदोष की बात कर रहे थे, वो आपने फाइल में लिख दिया, इरेज कर दिया, सब कुछ हो गया. तो अब वो एक बार क्लियर हो गया, तो डज थिंग्स गेट बेटर और डू यू स्टिल हैव टू कंटिन्यू रेमेडीज?
Okay, they might have to continue remedies. So things will get better through actions only. So let's say करियर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, उन्होंने पितृ का जो भी प्रॉब्लम था वो क्लियर कर लिया, उनको रिजल्ट्स मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा, राइट. सो विद इन 4 weeks उनको डिफरेंस चालू हो जाएगा. गुरु रिलेटेड हो या पितृ रिलेटेड हो, कोई भी हीलिंग्स हम करे तो पूरा वो दे विल सी रिजल्ट्स. सो वंस दे सी रिजल्ट्स, मतलब वो पिछला कर्म चला गया, अभी हर रोज का जो होता है वो एड ऑन होता जाएगा. तो इट्स बेटर टू कंटिन्यू द रेमेडीज टिल यू फील दैट इट्स गुड टू कंटिन्यू रेमेडीज एंड you have zero problems. Yeah.
इट्स गुड, इट्स एक्चुअली गुड. तो हमने मिसकंसेप्शन की बात भी की थी, जहाँ पे लोग बोलते हैं, क्रिटिक्स होते हैं वगैरह, लेकिन अगर वो हम छोड़ दें तो आउटसाइड ऑफ दैट आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि कौन आपने कभी बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन सुना है आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स के बारे में, आउटसाइड ऑफ ये सच है या ये क्रिटिक्स जो बोलते हैं?
जी. सो फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली लोग जो मेरे पास आते हैं, दे ऑल बिलीव इन इट, right? And you might have seen that I don't keep a chat bot to reply to people. तो जो भी मैसेज करते हैं, आई पिक ऑन अ कपल ऑफ इनवाइट्स एंड आई टेक्स्ट देम. बट आकाशिक के बारे में मुझे इतना क्रिटिक्स नहीं मिले हैं. पर हाँ, जरूर प्राणिक हीलिंग एंड टैरो एंड वगैरह के लिए क्रिटिक्स मिले हैं, जहां वो बोलते हैं क्या ये सच है, हीलिंग कर सकते हैं क्या, आप डेंटिस्ट हो, like why don't you just go do your dentistry, like don't spread fake news and everything. So I do have people who come and do give these kind of comments as well. But like I said, जो वो बोल रहे हैं, how can I dismiss it, because that's one soul who has come with their experience. So मुझे जो पता है वो अल्टीमेट ट्रूथ है, ऐसे कैसे मान लूं मैं. So I have open mind to critics, where they can come and tell me things, where if I have the strength, I explain and I tell them, listen, so what I believe in is this. So what you believe in is this. So let's just make world a better place to live. Whether, okay, if you are not interested in Akashic reading, okay, go away and come back when you're interested. That's all.
सबसे कॉमन चैलेंजेस क्या होते हैं जब आप लोगों की आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स एक्सेस करने की कोशिश करते हो? तो आपने क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि व्हाट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन चैलेंज?
The most common challenge that I feel is, see, I'll tell you two problems. So one is myself who accesses the Akashic record. I need to have certain things, like I need to have peace of mind. I should not be tired when I'm accessing. I should not have fallen sick while I'm accessing. Lots of restrictions before I access someone's Akashic record. So ये नहीं होता कि okay, चलो एक बंदा है जो पूछ रहा है Akashic record, let me just go open the Akashic record. It doesn't happen like that. I can't do it when I'm sleepy, and I'll have to have a very nice pleasant mind. Meditation करना है before Akashic, breathe work करना है, so I need my space. So these are the set of problems which comes with me who accesses these records. Now after I access, so क्या होता है, suddenly when I access, there are a lot of information other than just their questions. So it becomes like, let's say किसी का कैंसर दिख जाएगा जो होगा, how do I break that news to them? So now there is no scientific explanation to this. So if I tell them this, then I might leave a thought in them which might manifest as cancer. So I need to be very careful how I communicate, and all of this is the most emotional thing for me to convey certain things. So let's say they ask me to connect with the souls as well. So in Akashic, what they ask is, my lost husband, who was he to me? In this life I have lost a husband, so who was he to me? Or my wife, so why is this happening? So there are so many deeper things. People are, very depressed, very sad because of these things. So how do I communicate with them is one thing. Like, okay, information मिल गया, क्या होने वाला है. So they will ask, shall I marry this person, will I be happy? तो न्यूज आया कि no, they are not supposed to be with this person, and breakup कर लीजिए. तो how do I tell that? Life changing decisions जो वो करेंगे, उसको बोलने में बहुत गट्स चाहिए.
बात सही है, बहुत चाहिए. और इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज कि दे विल बी प्लेजेंट टुवर्ड्स यू एज वेल व्हेन यू टेल देम, क्योंकि लव की बात है, दे आर इन लव. तो डू यू समटाइम्स गेट टोल्ड ऑफ एज वेल?
No, they take it and they're like, give me remedies or do the healing then. Like, if they are not the one for me, then do the healing. I'll pay you, lakhs together just to heal. But I cannot do that because it clearly indicated that you're not supposed to choose this person because that's not your journey. So I then have to communicate with them. So what happens is, people become a little bit of like, everything is, you can work things out, it's fine, I don't want to believe this. So they might go into denial and then they come back, ma'am, what you told was true, 3 months ago you had told this, and yeah, it's I should have listened to you earlier. So it does happen, but I have learned a method to take it not personal, because I'm just a medium here. So they come, they access their medium and they just go. So that I'm just a medium here. So I've tried to practice this, not attach myself personally with their feelings. So they're just being very genuine with their feelings. And as a healer, if I don't have the empathy I can have for criticism or critics even, or to take no for an answer, like, no ma'am, I can't listen to this, or I can't do what you've told, ma'am. So I'll have to respect their decision, because at the end it's their willpower to manifest things for them. They can change their reality anytime, right? So they can amend it themselves. Maybe they only have intuitions where they can do more good karma. They can just automatically go start feeding orphanage, or do something which might help them and amend it. And they can go to temples. So I do tell them, like, if not anything, just pray, then you'll get the answers.
ओके, वो बोलते हैं मांगलिक लोग से शादी कभी नहीं करना चाहिए, कुछ हो जाएगा आपको. डज दैट ओके, 2 लोगों ने शादी किया, ठीक है, तो ऐसे कभी हो सकता है कि they were not meant to be together and one person can cause the other person's, it's not nice to say, लेकिन मौत, ऐसे हो सकता है? और ये सब दिखता है?
जी. So see, ये सब दिखता है या नहीं, sometimes it can answer, sometimes it will say I don't want to answer. So what if this person's life path is to marry that person only, according to your soul contract. So let's say in Akashic there is something called a word called, too much information, I'm sorry, but there is some word called soul contract. तो हमने क्या किया, इस जन्म में मैंने आपको बोला कि मैम आई विल डू दिस पॉडकास्ट विथ यू, श्रुति डॉक्टर जी आई विल डू दिस पॉडकास्ट विथ यू, मैंने दे दिया ना वर्ड. अब मैंने वो पूरा नहीं किया, लेट्स से, तो नेक्स्ट आई विल कम सम डे ना, आई विल गेट बैक टू यू, ऑब्वियसली आई विल गेट बैक टू यू, बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन माई वर्ड. Similarly, there are promises or contracts we do, like let's say rental contract या फिर property contract हम करते हैं ना, 11 months का एक contract, ऐसे ही हमने साइन किया होगा soul contracts, where we will tell someone promises, words में, actions में promises कि मैं तुझे ये सब करूंगी, मैं तुझे बहुत अच्छे से देखभाल करूंगी, I want you to become my partner. ऐसे हमने कुछ प्रॉमिस किया. They come back in this life as someone where the match ही नहीं हो सकता. Then because of this soul ka whatever karma we had to repay, it can be money, it can be our own, बोलते हैं ना हमारे उम्र किसी को लगे, like मैं इससे इतना प्यार करती हूँ कि मेरा उम्र उससे लग जाए, तो शायद मुझे लगता है ये सब जो मांगलिक नॉन मांगलिक इतना असर दिया है, प्रैक्टिकली मैंने देखा नहीं है. मे बी देर आर रेमेडीज फॉर नॉट सीइंग complete death, or maybe untimely death also can happen. I've not seen practical instances like that, but I feel it was all meant to be. It was all my action. Like मैंने promise किया उनको कि I will come back to you. So whether मौत मिले उस शादी के बाद, या फिर अब्यूज मिले, या फिर कर्मा इज टीचिंग मी समथिंग, या कुछ सोल लेसन था, मुझे पर्पस था कि आई हैव टू मैरी दिस पर्सन एंड लर्न समथिंग, तो वही बंदा है जो सिखाएगा मुझे, वही बंदा या बंदी है जो सिखाएगा कि दिस लेसन कैन ओनली बी लर्न थ्रू दैट पर्सन. लेट्स से टीचर्स मैथ जो सिखाते हैं उनसे ही हम मैथ लर्न कर सकते हैं. मे बी देर आर 10 टीचर्स, बट ए सेक्शन के लिए रोहिणी मैम ही आ जाएगी, right? So each one is assigned for such group of people. Similarly, for our soul lessons, one person is assigned as a partner, and they are your exact mirror. तो आपको क्या लर्न करना है, आपको उन्हीं से लर्न करना है, because they are mirroring you. So you have attracted a non-manglik to a manglik because they both have some learning to do in this janam, and if they learn that, maybe the consequences won't happen, maybe.
तो अभी आपने सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में बात की, तो ये सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज ओनली बिटवीन अ कपल या फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली, ये सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है क्या? क्योंकि ये भी बात करते हैं कि इफ यू वांट टू आई सपोज कट योर लाइफ बर्थ्स शॉर्टर, तो ताकि यू डोंट हैव कंटिन्यूअस रीबर्थ साइकिल, वो कट करना हो तो सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करते हैं, ये होता है?
जी जी जी. I met a person I met a person who had this notion, I wouldn't say, they know this, okay? So they know that they don't want to be reborn again. So that person contacted me saying, I want to cut off ties from all of them. Whatever lesson I want to learn from this person, tell me. Whatever I have to pay that person, tell me. I'm going to ready to pay. See, that person was born as who has everything. He just wanted to become very close to spirituality. अच्छा लाइफ है, बच्चा है, किसी like 10,000 people have come to me asking for the things that he have. Okay, he has. So he had zero problems in life. He just wanted to like cut off all of this. So he came to me, approached to me. So ऐसा होता है कि you can cut off the soul contract. In Akashic, अगर कोई आके बोला कि I want to delete these soul contracts, I don't want to be with this person, then it's very well possible to open their Akashic record and cut off that soul contract and tell कि हम we have this even in documentation larger. So whatever spiritual you're seeing in reality, practically things exist like that. So let's say we have a property contract, we also have a way to cut that contract off, right? We can go to the court and dissolve it. Even marriage we can dissolve through divorce. Similarly, soul contract we can dissolve.
But then that does exist. Whether it's as spirits or souls, we have communicated, we have agreed कि I will take half your life births and you will have your other half, so you don't have rebirths.
Yeah. Something like that exists, which is what I've read and heard, but I don't know. I don't have much experience in this arena to comment more on this.
This is so interesting. तो आपने कभी आपके clients ने कभी ऐसा कुछ डिस्कवर किया हो जो उसकी जिंदगी को completely ट्रांसफॉर्म कर जाता है? जैसे कि some people suffer from shock, है ना, सुन लिया, देख लिया, whatever, and it is hard to comprehend. तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ है जहाँ पे by listening to all this they've actually gone to that next level and transformed their whole life?
Yes, I have. So there was this person who is not in India. So he took a reading from me, and the childhood trauma that person has been through, should not happen to anyone, trust me. And they had decided to just not marry anyone because of, again, childhood trauma and how their parents were. And that person has lost everyone, like parents, everyone. So nobody but they had decided to not marry. And then what had happened is they had married one person and they wanted to start one family. The family also start करने के लिए this person married and IVF वगैरह सब they had started. But through Akashik I learned that there will be some sudden negative energy in that person where might have started physical abuse or domestic violence. ऐसे कुछ तो मुझे दिख रहा था कि it's not right, it's not right, it's not right. And that happened. And now they have come out of the situation, and they have the baby didn't stay or something like that also happened because of trauma. And but that family just got dissolved because it was not meant to be. This person was not meant to be with this person. So it happened so that they took action, and they took legal action, and they were saved from a lot of trauma and a lot of struggle what the parents also would have gone through in the future. So it has happened. See, I don't want to break families or try as much as possible to heal and keep everything together. But when you know that it is not good for that soul, I have suggested that, and they have taken action. They have seen the accuracy of this has been so chilling for that person that they can't comprehend. And now pura upside down ho gaya, but still there is some satisfaction. That is shocking. In fact, look, like कुछ लोग होते हैं जो सब चला गया suddenly in 1 week 2 week, no family, no nothing, divorce, so many things, but they are happy in spite of all this. Matlab, that soul recognized that this was not for them. This was not the path they had to choose. And I have seen that suddenly this became all about self love. Otherwise, Samaj and what my immediate relatives will think. Oh, I don't even have parents, so what will I do? Nothing mattered than self love at that time. So that soul's journey was to learn self love, and thereafter that person has progressed in life. Career ka problem nahi hai. Met a very genuine soul after that. So पूरा life ही transform हो गया ना. Like they say, no, like ऐसे पूरा flip हो गया.
कि अगर किसी को आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड सीखना हो या एक्सेस करना हो टू हेल्प पीपल, तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं?
They can't actually, unfortunately, because consent is important. So ऐसे हम किसी का भले के लिए we can't send their details, because no Akashic reader will open the Akashic records without that individual's consent. We cannot access. So unfortunately, if they have to help someone, then they could genuinely ask them that, listen, I'm going to help you. So, are you willing to get these things done, and then pay for that person? But they cannot, just beat पीछे to help them, कि ma'am, access and heal this person, help this person. Don't tell, keep it anonymous. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. They definitely have to give consent before I access their Akashic records. Yeah.
लेकिन लोग सीख नहीं सकते जैसे कि आप कर रहे हो.
Right. सीख सकते हैं, definitely.
अगर किसी को वो करना हो, जैसे कि hypothetically मुझे करना है, I want to learn from you. Is that possible?
Yes, it's possible. Everyone can do Akashic record reading. And everyone has the skill, and all are psychics. Like मैंने पहले बोला ना, my first thing was every one of us are psychics. We just don't know yet what are our exact skills. So it will take some years to develop what my psychic ability is. मुझे दिखा कि this might not be just your question to ask on a podcast. This might be truly something that you want to do. So you are someone who wants to pick and learn certain things, but you don't know where your heart lies exactly. So you don't really know what is your exact soul purpose at the moment.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Hmm. So you are in the, you know that, okay, I will have my answer. I know, okay, this, if I do, I might get there. What is my exact sole purpose that I have been born? So once you find out your exact purpose, you will know that it's so easy to access. It's a calling that you will have one day. Okay, I need to do the Akashic, access to people and help people. Um, just like how many people are doing, and that's when you can take that course. And soul number hona chahiye enough to read Akashic records. So there will be levels, so slowly through meditations and experience and practical, practically it has to be applicable. Like let's say I access Akashic record, okay, ठीक है, उस आंसर से अलग बंदे का कैसे हम helping, is it helpful? So just by accessing and getting information is not enough. Are we able to help, amend, delete the soul contracts? Actually, are they seeing results? That's where my credibility goes. So, but of course, everyone can learn Akashic records. It's not a rocket science at all. Thank you.
रश्मि जी, थैंक यू सो मच कि आप मेरे चैनल पे आए. अगेन दिस इज़ बीन सच अ फैंटास्टिक लर्निंग फ्रॉम यू. आई कैन जस्ट सी फ्रॉम योर फेस व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल सोल यू आर. आप यू ऑलवेज हैप्पी, and you got this beautiful smile. So I thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shruti, for having me in. And definitely, आपको मैं beautiful इसलिए दिख रही हूँ because you are beautiful, and you are feeling I am such a pure soul because it's all you. So we see things what we are, and we crib about things what we are not. So you are a beautiful soul, so you are able to identify one, I would say. I don't know if I am one, but I feel you, I feel the same about your aura. And you have a very beautiful aura. You have an aura of a healer. So if you
Oh.
didn't know your soul purpose, your sole purpose is to heal people either through your voice or your hands. And see if you can start doing some healing through your hands, because your touch, or you're a very good healer with your hands. Or if you touch people, if you just talk to people, I think people just come to you and keep telling about their problems. You might have attracted people who will come to you like that. So all the very best to this channel. Yeah, all the very best to this channel, and I hope this just grows and reaches a lot of people.